Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today we are talking about oatmeal, and we are kicking off our first video in a 5-video series celebrating what I'm calling here Oatmeal Week. This doesn't really have anything to do with like an actual holiday, but all week long I'm going to be sharing different oatmeal recipes. I know you guys are obsessed with oatmeal. I have been eating oatmeal almost every single morning and I love it. I've got 5 incredible combinations for you. We have tons of different flavors, different ways to make oatmeal, and I just can't wait for you guys to try all of these recipes and watch these videos. So we're kicking things off with my personal favorite. We are making chocolate protein oatmeal, and it is so good. I love a chocolate breakfast. Anytime I can have chocolate in the morning, I'm here for it. And this bowl of oatmeal is delicious. It's got a creamy chocolate oatmeal base. Then we add in some protein powder and some hemp seeds to make it super high in protein. And then we are topping it with fresh fruit and cacao nibs. It's just like, so good. Can't wait for you to try it. So if you do want to get this recipe, I have linked it down in the description box. It's up on the blog. There's photos, instructions, everything you need to know to make it. And before we dive in, if you are enjoying this kind of content, you like recipes like this, please join our community. Just tap the red button that's right below this video that says subscribe. Otherwise, let's go ahead and dive into our first recipe of Oatmeal Week, which is our chocolate protein oatmeal. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is add our oats into the pot. I'm just using regular rolled oats. You're gonna follow that with some chocolate protein powder, any type will do, followed by hemp seeds, which are gonna add some extra healthy fats and protein, cacao powder, which is adding that nice extra boost of chocolate flavor, and your liquid of choice. I'm using almond milk, but you could use coconut water, any type of liquid you wanted. From there, give it a stir and turn your burner on medium to bring this mixture to a boil. Once it is boiling, you will reduce it down to a simmer and just continue to stir it until everything starts to thicken and the oats are cooked. You can use any type of oats with this recipe. It just will affect the cooking time slightly and the liquid ratio, but regular rolled oats is what I have linked down below. But once you have the right consistency, you will just transfer it into your bowl. And for topping this chocolate protein oatmeal, I love to do an additional scoop of healthy fats. I'm using a drizzle of almond butter here, but you could also do peanut butter or any type of healthy fat you wanted. I also like to do some berries, which add additional fiber and antioxidants, and they just taste really good. So I'm doing both the raspberries and strawberries. I also finish it with something crunchy always. I love that. So I'm using cacao nibs here. And then I'm also going to do a drizzle of maple syrup or honey or vegan honey, anything to top it off with additional sweetness I am here for. And then I'm just gonna dig in. This is honestly like the best bowl of oatmeal ever. It is chocolatey, it is sweet, it tastes like dessert, and it is so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try it. And there you have it, my friends. That concludes our first video in Oatmeal Week. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give it a try. If you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Simply Quinoa and use the hashtag SQ Oatmeal Week. We are doing a giveaway all week long. We're going to be giving away my favorite oatmeal pan, which is a stainless steel all-clad pan. It is so good. It's like the perfect size for oatmeal, and it's just like the perfect size for everything. I use it all the time. So we are going to be giving away one of those, so make sure to pop on over to Instagram and check out the giveaway details. Otherwise, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of these Oatmeal Week videos. You can tap the red button that's right below this video that says subscribe. And if you do want to make this specific recipe, I have linked it down in the description box for you because it's up on the blog. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some of your time with me here today. I really appreciate it. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.